Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant if you're thinking about your retirement savings. How to roll over your 401k to Wealthfront. If you're tired of high fees, limited investment options, or just want more control over your money, this could be a game changer for you. Wealthfront is an online investment platform that offers automated, low-cost portfolio management, making it a popular choice for rolling over retirement accounts. First off, let's quickly cover what a 401k rollover is. It's basically moving your retirement funds from an employer-sponsored 401k plan to an individual retirement account, IRA, like the one Wealthfront provides. This can help you avoid taxes and penalties as long as you do it right. Why Wealthfront specifically? Well, they offer diversified, robo-advised portfolios with features like tax loss harvesting, which can potentially save you money in the long run. Now, let's walk through the steps to make this process smooth and stress-free. Step 1. Gather your information. You'll need details from your current 401k provider, like your account balance, plan documents, and contact info. Head over to Wealthfront's website and start a new account if you haven't already. It's quick and easy, just provide your basic personal details. Step 2. Initiate the rollover. Once logged in, look for the rollover option in your dashboard. Wealthfront has a straightforward tool that guides you through selecting the type of account, like a traditional IRA or Roth IRA, based on your 401k. They'll ask for your 401k details, and then you can request the transfer. Step 3. Submit the forms. Wealthfront will generate the necessary paperwork, which you'll need to sign and send to your old 401k provider. This could be done electronically or by mail, so keep an eye on any deadlines to avoid any hiccups. Step 4. Monitor the transfer. It usually takes a few weeks, so check your Wealthfront account regularly for updates. Once it's complete, you'll get a confirmation, and you can start managing your investments right away. A few important tips. Always double-check for any fees associated with the rollover, and remember that if you're under 59 and a half, you might face penalties for early withdrawals, so don't touch the funds directly. Also, consult a financial advisor to ensure this move aligns with your overall retirement strategy. There you have it. That's how to roll over your 401k to Wealthfront. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Let's take control of our financial futures together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.